Hey everyone, Luke Strains here. Welcome back to another video. And today I want to show you this neat little switcher that I converted to DCC. So this is a Bachmann 060 Plymouth switcher. I got it when I was really young and I always enjoyed it because of its size. And probably about a month ago I saw this thing and I thought, man, that'd be cool if I had it on DCC. My club actually has... They're going to be doing a port extension soon, so I thought this would be a great little dockside switcher. Also, they're working on getting a street running portion set up, so this little guy would be great at switching that area. So, just wanted to do a little showcase. Me and my dad worked pretty hard on this, so I hope you guys like it. We do have a front headlight on function 0. We don't have anything in the rear. There's no provision for that either. But, here we go. It's definitely, not the fastest, but, it runs. Well, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Put a Digitrax DH166P into here. And yeah, me and my dad had a pretty good time with it. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll be able to post a picture and or a video of this at the club sometime soon.